Now this plate is for my husband, my baby. And let me go give it to him. Chicky, stop kicking. You want to sit and eat on the floor? Stop kicking the table. Try. It is 10:41 and we're just not eating. But all morning we've been doing chores.
It's wrong, Mommy.
Yes. It's right there. Your mommy. No, put it over there. Okay. Milk break. Right. I did it actually. Now I am cooking breakfast. I'm going to make some sausage, eggs, French toast, and strawberries. Or maybe we should do like some strawberry French toast, eggs, and sausage. The kitchen's clean. The sink is now fixed. So the sink being fixed, I can now wash my dishes the way that I need to wash them. Clean my kitchen. And then Chunky just came and took my spot. So I'm going to just make some breakfast. Get your hand out of there. That's raw and no yummy. So let me make these kids some breakfast so then they can go out and go play, do what they want to do, and then I can figure out what it is that I'm going to do. I have my egg and heavy cream mixture. You got it? Add some nutmeg. Cinnamon. No, I'm just making scrambled eggs. Yeah, scrambled eggs. potato? I don't know what you're talking about, baby. Okay. Go get it. You want sausage? Okay, gotta cook. You gotta let it cook. It's almost ready. Okay. One, two. It's okay.
Go get that. Go get that. Go get that despair.
Go doing trash. Voila. Want Daddy make money? Daddy gonna make money. You don't want to make Daddy make money no more? No. Oh, so he got some money? Okay. Well, tell Daddy that he don't have to make money. You got money for him. You gonna let Daddy have your money? You gonna let Daddy have it? Strawberry? No? Okay, good. strawberry? So you said you don't want one. I already offered you one. Now you want one? Put in your mouth. You don't want this. I think I'm gonna use icing instead of syrup. We're gonna make an icing. I think the kids will like that too. Drink your potty? No, I assume he don't like eggs, but I'll still put him a little one on there. Because one day he might change his mind. You go potty? Okay. Here, mommy, come. Take this one. Get some of that on there. Get for it. I don't get one. You only need one. There you go. Here's it.
Oh no, I need cut.
I want me to cut it some more?
Oh, you win the cut sauces. And the cut pancakes. Go.
Oh, it's French toast.
French toast. Thank you.
Better?
I need cut it.
You want your eggs cut too? You like this. We need fork.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Jiggy, go sit down, eat some. plate is for my husband. Now that's a plate right there for a king. Fit for a king. So let me go give it to him. I'm gonna come back, make my plate, and then that was breakfast. That concludes our breakfast. Okay. By the time I done made everybody plate. What? Okay. By the time I made everybody plate, the food probably cold. They're done eating, and now they were requesting for juice and SNACK and all other kinds of stuff. They're ready for the next activity, and it's like, can I just sit down and just eat? Let me just eat my food, but they're still eating, so. Chunky, stop doing that. What? I responded, you're not saying anything. What do you want? Spit it out. Not even saying nothing. Something yummy? You are hungry. I see.
Spit it out. Oh my gosh. I got spit it out.
No, like spit out what you have to say.
No, you have to.
Okay. Okay. So you got a party. Y'all thirsty? Let me get y'all some water. Before I sit down, I'm gonna get some juice and some water. Real cup of. Sophie ate her eggs. She ate her French toast. Yes. You drank your juice. You eat your strawberries. Get up there. Turn your butt. Let's see what Chunky ate. Chunky ate strawberries. You ate your sausage and scoot up. You yummy, yummy, you tummy? Yeah. Try this one. Try. He won't eat it now, but he will eat it for lunch. Like, if it's just sitting there, that's why after they done eating their breakfast, I don't typically like pick their breakfast up because like throughout the day, they'll nibble on it. Last time I made French toast, my son, he did not eat it. But by the end of the day, okay, want me to take a picture? Okay, hold on. But by the end of the day, that French toast is gone. Yummy sausage. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that is a typical morning for me. Like, mornings are pretty fast. Like, they're fast. I usually try to get breakfast on by 10. So it wasn't too bad. They wake up at 8. Brush their teeth, wash their face, get their clothes on. But today was a little bit different because their sleeping schedules was a little bit off. Or they just woke up at random times today. Like, so random. So after I'm done after they're done eating, then we'll go get ready. But typically we get ready first and then we eat breakfast. And then they just go play, ball out, do whatever they want to do. And today they played, cleaned up first, ate, and then they're gonna bathe and brush teeth and stuff. So every day is not typically the same. So as a mommy, I don't like beat myself up. I used to beat myself up and try to be on this strict schedule, but now it's like it is what it is. Like however the day move, that's how I'm gonna move too. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm about to eat my breakfast, and I hope it's not cold. I hope it's like room temperature. But I'm gonna eat my breakfast. And they want to take some pictures. You got potty? Yes, you do. I'm gonna go take him to go potty. Breakfast about to get cold even more. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. So until next time, peace out. Tricky, you gotta go potty? Huh? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Why you wanna play? Why you wanna play? Let's go potty. I see you. I'm taking your picture. I'm taking your picture.
I need to go potty.
You got potty too? Nah, you playing. You got potty. You playing.
I need to go potty.
All right, bye-bye.
Go potty. I go potty.
Chunky, I'm just change your diaper later. You potty, you potty. You potty in your diaper? Change it later. It ain't cold. It ain't hot.
Mom.
It's just right. What?
Try it.
Try which one?
Try it, Mom.
I thought you said be quiet. Let me try the egg. Now, them a little cold. Eggs a little cold. Let me try sausage. You want to get into?
Yeah.
Sausage is warm. It's just the eggs. I said bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I said bye-bye, Chucky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.